It's our little snowstorm that we had on Valentine's Day 2021, February 14th. Not too bad. I don't know. That didn't get no foot of snow or nothing, I don't think. But it was enough to shut some places down. I don't think it's too bad. We didn't have to work last night because of it was kind of like a blowing blizzard snow. So, I don't know, Amazon took precautions not to send any routes out, so that's alright. But I think we're working tonight. That's fine with me. That is fine with me. These ruts and this snow make you want to go where you don't want to go. I'm glad the property owners had maintenance pile a little bit on our street here. We live in this dead-end street here. It's kind of thick. I guess it's about, might be 6 or 7 inches. I don't know. Woohoo! Oh yeah. There we go. We should be fine. Turn into our driveway. Yeah. We are good. Home sweet home.